What's going on? This is Justin Wojtczak with 375 Photography in Atlanta, Georgia. And for this Photo Tip Friday, it's a simple but an important one. You want to be sure to arrive early on your shoot. I know that sounds simple, but the last thing you want to do is to be running late, and so mentally you're stressed out. You get to the shoot, you're starting to set up your lights, you're frantically setting everything up, and guess what? That stress that you're having is going to be projected on your client or your subject, and that's going to start your shoot off on the wrong note. So again, be sure to monitor traffic, be sure that you know the route that you're going, so then that way you can arrive to your shoot calm, cool, and most importantly, you look professional. Photographers, if you're thinking about starting video and adding video to your business to generate potential income, let me tell you what, we got a brand new class exclusively here at KelbyOne just for you. We walk through from start to finish, from prep to post, on how to add video to your services. So be sure to check out more at KelbyOne.com.